Top 6 Best All-in-One PC for 2022. Which one is the best? Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top 6 of the best all-in-one PCs in 2022 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So let's get started. Let's begin with the top-rated Apple iMac. This 2021 iMac is an improvement on its 21.5-inch predecessor in pretty much every way. It is an excellent option that gives you all that extra screen real estate while not taking up much more desk space. By design, it has a more rectangular design that's thinner and more compact than ever. And when it comes to its impressive makeover, it is available in 7 shades, including green, yellow, orange, pink, purple, blue, and silver. All-in-one PCs are more compact and easier to set up than traditional PCs, and this applies to the iMac Model 2. Thanks to its wireless keyboard and mouse that come included with the new iMac, you will only need to plug in one cable to get up and running the power supply. It houses a 1080p FaceTime HD camera with M1 ISP for amazing video quality. And when it comes to its audio quality, it has got 6-speaker sound system for a remarkably robust and high-quality audio experience. While for ports, you will get 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports and up to 2 USB 3 ports, along with ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connectivity. Next is HP 24DF0076. This HP all-in-one PC blends the power of a desktop with the beauty of a slim modern display into one dependable device designed to grow with you. It comes powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 3500U processor for fast, reliable streaming, gaming, and productivity. And when it comes to its storage, it includes 8GB DDR4 SDRAM memory and a 1TB hard drive that can store thousands of photos, videos, and documents with ease. For display, it houses a 23.8-inch touchscreen display with IPS technology that offers full HD graphics. And featuring LED backlighting means you will also be allowed for a thinner, more energy-efficient design as well. In addition to these, its built-in 3-in-1 media card reader supports SD, SDHC, and SDXC formats for seamless upload of photos, videos, and data files. And featuring wireless AC technology, you can get cable-free connections and play and burn CDs and DVDs using the inbuilt drive. Next is Lenovo IdeaCentre F0G4004EUS. This IdeaCentre all-in-one 5i PC is made for productivity, entertainment, and connecting. By design, its sleek, compact frame boasts a huge screen-to-body ratio with a brilliant 27-inch QHD display. And together with Dolby Audio Premium and Harman-certified JBL speakers, this all-in-one doubles as a stellar home entertainment system as well. It is powered by Intel Core i7 processors, and when it comes to its storage, it houses a 16GB DDR4 memory, making it able to quickly and easily manage the most demanding workloads. As an all-in-one computer, it comes with more connectivity options than ever, including USB-C and 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports that enable an adequate 10 GB per second of data transfer speeds. And moving on to the camera, the hidden camera on the top of this PC enhances authenticity during your video chatting or conferencing, while its webcam enables facial recognition that allows you to log in instantly. So in all, we can say that this desktop computer is an ideal one for the home, delivering unfiltered performance for the whole family, powering personal productivity, work from home tasks, and schoolwork or play for the kids. Next is Dell Inspiron 245000. This Dell Inspiron 245000 AIO is a solidly built budget all-in-one. It is a perfect combination of performance, responsiveness, and battery life. It comes powered by an 11th gen Intel Core i7 processor. And when it comes to its display, its 1920 by 1080 resolution boasts impressive color and clarity while supporting 1080p content. Since it has touchscreen, it will be easier for you to surf, organize, swipe, and edit with the tip of your fingers. And featuring a powerful high bandwidth of 16 GB RAM, it can smoothly run your games and photos, video editing applications, as well as multiple programs and browser tabs all at once. While its included flash-based 256GB SSD that has no moving parts, resulting in faster startup times and data access, with no noise and reduced heat production and power draw on the battery. Next is MSI Pro AP241. This Pro AP241 all-in-one PC comes equipped with an iCare IPS panel meshed with strong computing performance to provide you with the best work experience while protecting your health. Its 23.8-inch size, 2 colorways, and slim design make it a perfect fit for any house or office workspace. Its IPS panel brings accurate color and contrast ratio to optimize screen color and brightness. And featuring anti-flicker technology, it will help to eliminate flickering and effectively reduce eye fatigue during prolonged screen time while enhancing your productivity at home or in the office. It has an NVMe PCIe M.2 SSD that delivers speeds up to 2,200 megabytes per second, which is 5 times faster than traditional storage solutions. And finally, for ports, it offers 2 USB 2.0 Type A, 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, an HDMI out, and an audio port. Lastly, we have the Acer Aspire C27962 UA91. This Acer Aspire C27 all-in-one PC packs all the essential computing features you need into a slim, space-saving design. Featuring the latest 10th gen Intel Core i5 processor, it offers more possibilities than ever before via performance, connectivity, and entertainment. And moving on to its display, it houses a 27-inch full FHD borderless display that will let you experience clear images and vibrant entertainment every time. It has got a 12GB RAM, 512GB solid-state drive storage, and a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce MX 130 graphics card. And for audio quality, it houses 2 built-in speakers, which sounds pretty good. It is capable of gigabit Ethernet performance and uses the 802.11 AC wireless standard. And finally, for ports, it provides 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.2 ports, HDMI, Ethernet RJ45, and audio jacks. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.